I showed up early, just like I said. Coffee in hand, thoughts in my head. The crowd flows by like rivers in the street, but I keep staring at that empty seat. Minutes stretch like hours on a string. Wonder what the silence will bring. Every second echoes louder than before. Footsteps rise, but they don't reach my door. I told myself not to care too much, but here I am, still hoping for your touch. Still waiting under the fading sky, watching as the daylight slowly says goodbye. People come and go, names I'll never know, but I'm stuck in this moment, can't let it go. Maybe there's traffic, or maybe you forgot, but I'm still here, holding on to what we're not. I check my phone for the 100th time, scroll through old messages, reading every line. The breeze carries laughter that isn't mine, as I trace our story in my mind. The drink is cold, the light grows dim, and all I can think of is you again. They say the waiting makes love grow, but I'm not sure if I still know. Do you remember what you said you'd do? Because I do, I'm still here waiting for you. Still waiting under the fading sky, watching as the daylight slowly says goodbye. People come and go, names I'll never know, but I'm stuck in this moment, can't let it go. Maybe there's traffic, or maybe you forgot, but I'm still here, holding on to what we're not. Maybe you changed your mind and couldn't say, or maybe something real got in the way. Still I sit, still I breathe, still I hope you'll turn the corner and come to me. Still waiting in this quiet part of town. The world keeps spinning, I won't slow down. Even if the night begins to fall, even if you don't come at all, I'll be right here where we were meant to meet. One heart, two hands, and an empty seat. The clock is ticking, but no one moves. Shadows stretch long under neon grooves. The air feels heavy like it holds a tale. The last train hums on a distant rail. Faces blurred in the station's glow. Eyes all darting where they'll never go. Dreams in their bags too big to unpack. The last train's coming, there's no turning back. Oh, the last train calls, but we hesitate. Caught in the web of our tangled fate. The wheels will spin, but we just stand still. A moment frozen by a stubborn will. A suitcase drops with a hollow thud. The tiles are cold, under shoes of mud. Voices whisper, but they fade too fast. The last train waits for a future past. And the whistle cries like a lonely bird. The echoes bounce, but no one stirred. The track's a path we're too scared to choose. The last train leaves and we all just lose. Oh, the last train calls, but we hesitate. Caught in the web of our tangled fate. The wheels will spin, but we just stand still. A moment frozen by a stubborn flicker like stars below. Footsteps echo where shadows go. Neon whispers call my name. Every corner never the same. We walk without a map or plan. Hearts wide open, hand in hand. Velvet skies above our heads. City dreams beneath our treads. We don't need a reason why. Tonight we're just alive. Join the night parade, feel the rhythm rise. Under moonlit skies and electric highs, we're dancing through the silent crowd, laughing loud, heads unbowed. Every heart beats a drum we play. In the night parade, we find our way. Glitter dust in midnight air, music playing from who knows where. Faces glow in passing cars, moments fleeting like fallen stars. All the rules fade out of sight. We're rebels dressed in candlelight. The city hums our favorite tune between the dusk and breaking moon. We don't need a past to chase, just this time and place. Join the night parade where stories start, where strangers dance with open hearts. No destination, no goodbyes, just endless streets and velvet skies. With every step we light the flame. This night parade will never be the same. Every dream that we once feared now walks with us so crystal clear. The night becomes a sacred stage. We're turning every page. In the night parade we lose control, but find ourselves inside our soul. Let the music never fade. Stay with me in this night parade. Under stars that never trade, we'll keep dancing unafraid. Forever bold, forever swayed, hearts alight in the night parade. I wake up with the sun on my face. No maps, no rules, no final place. No voices telling me where to be. Today belongs to only me. I don't know the world an explanation. I don't need a clear direction. With every step I claim my ground. A quiet strength, a fearless sound. No chains to bind, no lines to trace. I move in rhythm, set my pace. Let the world spin how it may. I've got my soul to light the way. Whatever I do, it's mine to choose. No one to follow, nothing to lose. I don't need permission to breathe or be. I just walk forward, wild and free. I'm not defined by what they say. I live, I love, I lead my way. I'm not a puppet on their string, not made to bow or clip my wings. Every moment raw and true paints my sky in a deeper hue. Even silence speaks out loud. do, it's mine to write. A page unfolding in my light. No need to fit what they believe. I just breathe deep and start to leave. Unwritten paths, uncaged and wide, with my own voice as my guide. Coffee steam rising, a brand new day again. Barefoot steps on wooden floors. I'm humming tunes I've never sung before. No rush, no need to chase. I move in my own gentle pace, smiling at strangers I meet on the way. Even the smallest things brighten my day. It's not gold, it's not fame, just laughter in the pouring rain. A quiet breeze, a favorite song, that's where my joy belongs. Pure joy, running wild and free, like waves crashing endlessly. Not something you find, it's something you feel in tiny moments that make life real. Pure joy, no need to pretend, it's holding hands and calling friends. A little light, a spark inside, this happiness I can't hide. Messy hair, no makeup on, dancing alone with my hoodie on. Morning sky painted in pink and gold, another memory I'll softly hold. No need for reasons, no need for more. Gratitude opens every door. The world may spin and twist and turn, but joy is something I always earn. It's not loud, it's not grand, just quiet peace I understand. Like finding magic in the air, joy is simply everywhere. Pure joy, running wild and free, like waves crashing endlessly. Not something you find, it's something you feel in tiny moments that make life real. Pure joy, no need to pretend, it's holding hands and calling friends. A little light, a spark inside, this happiness I can't hide. You can't bottle it, you can't buy, but you'll know it when you try. In open arms and morning skies, pure joy never says goodbye. Pure joy, running wild and free, every moment that feels like me. A whisper, a dance, a soft hello, it's all around, it's all I know. Pure joy, my soul's favorite sound, it's in and out where love is found. City lights blur on either side, but I keep my focus, I don't hide. Voices echo, tempting me to stray, but I've locked my heart, thrown the map away. Every step is forward, never back, no detour signs along this track. Distractions come in colors bright, but I only see in black and white. The world may twist, the road may bend, but I know exactly where it ends. Tunnel vision, chasing light. cheering crowd. Let them talk, let them stare. What I seek isn't anywhere, it's in the fire I hold inside. In every fear I've learned to ride. 1,000 turns that I won't take, 1,000 smiles that might be fake, but I'll keep going breath by breath, chasing life through fear of death. Tunnel vision, chasing light through the chaos, through the fight. No more hiding, no disguise, only truth behind my eyes. Through the doubt I make my way, one direction come what may. Tunnel vision so divine, leave the past and lies behind. Maybe I'll fall, maybe I'll break, but I'd rather crash than never wake. This narrow path, it calls my name, and I would walk through fire and flame. Tunnel vision, nothing more. No open windows, no back door. The light is close, I feel its grace. I've never run a straighter race. Tunnel vision, now I see what I chase is truly me. The clock strikes 12, the platform's cold, a quiet crowd, stories untold. Suitcase packed with silent dreams, leaving behind familiar scenes. See my breath in winter air, but no one asks me why or where. The lights are dim, the rails are long, but in my chest a stubborn song. I'm not sure where this road will bend, but I know it's not the end. On this midnight train, I ride alone, chasing echoes I've always known. Past the towns and sleeping lights, into the arms of endless nights. I'm leaving pain but taking grace. On the midnight train, I find my place. Windows blurred with falling rain, each drop a memory, each a name. Ghosts of laughter, whispered fights, flicker in the passing lights. No compass, no steady hand, but I'm learning now how to stand. The world outside keeps moving fast, but I'm not haunted by the past. There's more to see beyond this track, no need to look back. On this midnight train, I ride alone, finding courage I've never known. Through the dark and down the line, I leave behind what wasn't mine. With every mile I let go pain, and breathe anew on this midnight train. There's a peace in not arriving, in the stillness I feel surviving. Maybe home's not just a place, but a moment or a phase. Now this midnight train carries me to who I was and who I'll be. No more maps, just open skies, hope reflected in my eyes. Through every turn, through joy and strain, I'll keep on riding this midnight train. see your smile in the morning light, in coffee steam and skies so bright. Even when the world feels far away, you're the warmth that makes me stay. Every step I take, I hear your name, soft like whispers in the rain. Though we're apart, you're never gone. Your rhythm plays in every song. All the time I feel you near. In silent nights you still appear. Through joy and pain, through wrong and right, you're my echo, my guiding light. You're in my breath, my every rhyme. I carry you all the time. I walk these streets, your voice remains like footprints left after the rain. You held my hand when I was low. Now you're the reason that I grow. Even in the quiet and the doubt, your love, it never fades out. You're the calm when I can't see, the part of me that's always free. All the time I feel you near. In silent nights you still appear. Through joy and pain, through wrong and right, you're my echo, my guiding light. You're in my breath, my every rhyme. I carry you all the time. Seasons change and people do, but my world still turns with you. You're not a memory I leave behind. You're the future in my mind. All the time you live in me, in every wave and every sea. No matter how far I climb, you're with me all the time. The rain is heavy, it pounds the ground, but it won't last, it can't keep us down. The clouds will break, they'll drift away, and light will shine to start the day. The storm may rage, it howls its tune, but every storm will end too soon. The puddles glisten, the air is clear. We'll find the hope that brought us here. No matter how hard the rain will fall, the sun will rise and outshine it all. The sky will open in shades untold. A rainbow arcs with its colors bold. The earth drinks deep, it soaks the pain, but joy will follow after rain. The air feels fresh, it sings of peace. A promise made, the storm will cease. Hold on tight through the thunder's roar. The beauty waits on the other shore. When skies are dark, the light will fight to paint the world with colors bright. No matter how hard the rain will fall, the sun will rise and outshine it all. The sky will open in shades untold. A rainbow arcs with its colors bold. Side by side on a quiet street, laughing over things only we repeat. The world moves fast but we take it slow. In your eyes it's all I need to know. No need for words when you take my hand. Together we ride in footprints on the sand. Even when the sky turns gray, I feel the sun in what you say. Every storm we made it through, because I've got me and I've got you. You and me just as we are. No fancy lights, no falling stars. Only a moment but it feels so wide. With you the world is on our side. Don't need to run, don't need to hide. As long as I'm with you by my side. You and me, that's all we need. A simple song, a steady beat. Some chase dreams in far-off lands, but I've got mine when you hold my hand. No picture-perfect frame to fill, just quiet nights and time to kill. You smile and the noise fades out. Now I know what love's about. Even when the path is new, there's nothing I won't walk through, because I've got a home in your embrace. Everywhere with you's my favorite place. You and me, just as we are. No perfect plans, no fancy car. Just a rhythm, just a rhyme. Living slow and loving time. The world can spin, but we'll be free, as long as there's just you and me. Years may come and years may go, but this I hope you'll always know. No matter what tomorrow brings, we'll take it all with open wings. You and me, a story told in every glance and every hold. Time won't steal what we believe. Love is strong when hearts don't leave. Just you and me, endlessly. That's more than enough for me. Neon lights paint the evening sky above the traffic rushing by. Concrete towers glowing bright keep their secrets through the night. People move like endless streams, all chasing fast, unfinished dreams. But up above the noise and still, there's a place where I can feel the rhythm slow, the silence grow. A moment just for me to know. Under the city skyline, I breathe again, far from the chaos, the rush, the rain. The stars are drowned, but I still find a kind of peace in this design. Above it all, I see it clear. The world is loud, but I'm still here. And in the shadow of the line, I find myself in the city skyline. Glass reflections, sky so wide, hide the stories we hold inside. Billboards flash with what to be, but I just want to feel like me. Walking rooftops, counting lights, making sense of silent nights. Every window holds a life, a tale of joy, of love, of strife. But I don't need to know them all. This view alone makes me feel whole. Under the city skyline, I breathe again, let go of doubt, release the pain. The city's loud, but I don't mind. It somehow calms my busy mind. Up in the quiet, I align. Just me, the stars, and the city skyline. They say the city's always awake, but even lights can start to break. Still I'll come back when I'm unsure. This rooftop view is is my cure. Under the city skyline, my heart beats slow as life keeps moving down below. In this stillness I define who I am beneath the shine. The world keeps turning, people climb, but I stand still with the city skyline. Crowds are gathering on the platform's edge, each with a suitcase and a story unsaid. Faces are blurred like a passing train. I wonder if they're chasing sun or rain. The board lights up with places unknown, a sea of strangers all on their own. Their footsteps echo like a rolling tide. Are they running to or from what's inside? Where are they going? I'll never know. Are they finding love or letting it go? Every soul here with a path to take, a journey written in the choices they make. A mother holds her child tight and near. A man in a suit hides a quiet tear. Teenagers laugh like the world is wide, all of them riding where dreams collide. Maybe it's hope or maybe regret, a past to escape or a future to get. I stand here still as the trains roll through, wondering if they're searching like I do. Where are they going? I'll never know. Are they finding love or letting it go? Every soul here with a path to take, a journey written in the choices they make. Street lights flicker, city's fading glow. Another long day with miles to go. The noise, the rush, the world outside, but I find peace on this nightly ride. Turn the key, hear the creak of the door, and suddenly I'm not tired anymore. 'Cause home is where you wait for me, with open arms and cups of tea, laughter dancing through the air, warmth and love are everywhere. No matter what the day may bring, you're my calm in everything. The world can spin, the skies can fall, but home with you, that's all. The smell of dinner in the air, tiny footsteps on the stairs, a dog's soft bark, a child's sweet song, the kind of place where hearts belong. Stories shared across the floor in this little life. I couldn't ask for more. 'Cause home is where you wait for me, with sleepy eyes and memories, flickering lights and cozy sighs, the quiet truth behind goodbyes. No matter how far I may roam, your love will always guide me home, through every turn and twist of fate. You're the reason I can wait. And when the world gets loud and cold, I just remember the hand I hold. A hug, a smile, a gentle touch reminds me why I love so much. Home is where your voices call, soft and sweet, the best of all. With every laugh, with every light, you make the darkest day feel right. So I'll keep walking through the storm, to the place where hearts are warm. Because no matter how far I stray, you're my home at the end of the day. Raindrops fall like soft piano keys, filling the silence with quiet melodies. People passing, rushing through their day, umbrellas high, they don't look my way. I'm just standing still, no reason to move in this moment. I've got nothing to prove. The world spins fast, but I let it go. Soaked to the skin, but I don't feel cold. I breathe in slow, let the water speak. There's beauty in quiet, I'm feeling weak. People all around me, holding umbrellas tight, moving like a current in the city's light. I'm in uncovered, alone and unafraid, watching all the stories silently parade. No rush, no fear, just rain on my skin. A still frame where something new begins. Footsteps echo down the busy street, their purpose clear, their days complete. But here I am with nowhere to be, just a heart open wide in the middle of the stream. Each drop a whisper, each breeze a sign. Maybe standing still is how we realign. Let them hurry past with their heads held low. I'll stay in the quiet where the soft winds blow. This pause is a prayer, this rain is grace, falling on my cheeks like time and space. People all around me, holding umbrellas tight, moving like a current in the city's light. I remain uncovered, alone and unafraid, watching all their stories silently parade. No rush, no fear, just rain on my skin. A still frame where something new begins. Maybe I'm not lost, just catching my breath, learning to feel in the middle of the mess. Even the clouds have a story to tell. In the softest downpour, I find myself well. So let them all wander, chasing their day. I'll be here standing, letting time slip away. No shield from the sky, no reason to pretend. Just me and the rain, like an old faithful friend. And in this quiet, where the world feels far, I find who I really are. the edge of sleep. Thoughts like rivers running deep. Stars are whispering lullabies while moonlight paints the midnight sky. Silken threads of what could be wrap around what's left to me. In the stillness, time, let's go. I'm floating in the dream flow. Let me ride the current slow. The skies of pink and silver glow. No need to fight, no need to know. Just let the feeling softly grow. Every heartbeat seems to show I'm alive in this dream flow. Mirrors melt into the sea. Reflections lose their hold on me. Gravity forgets my name, and nothing here will stay the same. Clouds become a carousel, spinning secrets they won't tell. But I don't mind, I've come to know the rhythm of the dream flow. Let me ride the current slow through waves of blue and candle glow. No maps, no roads, just let it go. The stars will guide where we don't know. I'm not lost, I'm just below the surface of this dream flow. Even when I wake, I'll keep it near. This world of quiet, far from fear, where voices sing and shadows dance, and every breath feels like a chance. So take me where the wild winds blow, beneath the stars above the low. In this heart I'll always know I'm part of that eternal show, drifting on soft and slow, forever in the dream flow. Ooh, 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 ooh. How long has this world been turning? How many suns have risen and set? And here I am, a moment, breathing in the echo of a billion steps. Mountains grew and oceans shifted. Stars were born and fell from grace. Still I stand, a fragile heartbeat, drifting through this endless space. Can the universe feel my silence? Does it know the weight I bear? In this infinite unfolding, do I even leave a trace somewhere? The time I'm given, just a flicker in the grand celestial show, like stardust caught in morning sunlight. Here then gone, no one will know. But in this breath I find meaning, though the cosmos never blinks. I am here and that is something, even if it's gone in just a blink. All the lives before me whispered, all the futures yet to bloom, hold their stories in the silence, carved in light in ancient runes. I may not touch the endless ages or rewrite the stars above, but I am here, I see the beauty, and I choose to live and love. The time I'm given, just a flicker, still I light the dark unknown. One small life in vast forever, still it's mine and mine alone. can shine or fade to gray, but it won't change how I feel today. I rise with purpose, calm and clear. No storm can shake what I hold dear. The world may spin a different song, but I've been steady all along. No weather, no whisper, no outside tone can dim the light. I've grown on my own. I don't wait for signs to start. I've got the sun inside my heart. Come rain or shine, I'm standing tall. No one else can make me fall. I set the mood, I write the day. Don't need the sky to light my way. I choose to smile, I hold the flame. No one else to take the blame. This world may twist and turn around, but I won't let it pull me down. No matter how the weather plays, I stay true through all my days. Umbrellas bloom in passing rain, but I walk forward just the same. I don't let clouds decide my pace. I move with grace in any case. The noise outside may rise and fall, but I don't answer every call. Peace and joy, I keep them near. I make the mood I want to hear. Let others chase the highs and lows. I found a place where balance grows. Not every day will be bright and clear, but still I walk without the fear. I set the mood, I write the day. Don't need the world to show the way. I laugh, I breathe, I carry on, even when the light is gone. Through storm or sun, I know this right. I hold my own, I own my life. The clouds rolled in like a ghost on the run. The sky turned gray where there once was sun. Raindrops fall like a whispered sigh. I'll take shelter, let the storm pass by. The world's a puddle, a reflect in my face. Each step I take leaves a fleeting trace. I waited out in this little spot, a quiet corner where the storm forgot. Since it started raining, I'll just stay here under this roof till the skies are clear. The thunder's loud, but it doesn't scare. I'll find my calm in the heavy air. Each droplet's rhythm taps out a tune, a fleeting dance under the pale moon. I watch it fall like a story untold, a fleeting moment that never grows old. The wind hums low like a distant plea. It carries whispers from a restless sea. But here I'll stand till the storm subsides, finding peace where the chaos collides. Since it started raining, I'll just stay here under this roof till the skies are clear. The thunder's loud, but it doesn't scare. I'll find my calm in the heavy air. pushing the dark away. I close my eyes and hold on tight, knowing soon there'll be light. No matter how hard the rain may fall, it fades away, we'll stand so tall. When it stops, the sky turns clear, a rainbow shines and draws us near. Puddles form where the world stood still. The air feels fresh, the calm